We're going bold today. We're going bold. It's spring. Spring is, I say it's around the corner because I don't feel it's here. It's about 5 degrees where I am. For me, that's a little bit like winter. Let's keep on going. The calendar says it's spring, so let's get moving. Okay, today I want to try something different. I don't want to try any eyeshadows. Bold. And we're going to go blue and purple. We're going for a purple. Look at that. And we're going for a bold blue. Yeah, that's what we're doing today, baby. A trick. I'm going to teach you a trick. If you feel that your mascara is like thick and it's hard and it's difficult. Oh, wait, it's too bright. Oh, baby, it's too bright. Is that okay? Yeah. So if you feel that your mascara is too thick, don't worry, you're gonna dip it in hot water and you're gonna do like this. Dip it in hot water for about a minute, and then you do this. Your mascara is gonna look gorgeous. So let's get to it. So where's my, oh, I thought Monty got it. My little monster is right here, he's sleeping. So let's do this and yeah, let's do it. See what I did? Can you see what I did to my eyes? So I applied the light blue one, the purple one. This is a purple one. And then I applied the bluish, really blue one. So I applied both of them. I think, can you see? Ooh, can you see? If I have blue eyes, I would go for a purple and not so blue, because it would stand out more, and I could even apply more. I could stay here for hours applying this how do you call it, this mascara. I could stay here for hours. Oh, you see? Oh, now it's getting, can you see? The blue. So you don't have to even eyeline your eyes with anything. Just a pop of color. We're playing around, makeup out, playing around, and I think it looks pretty cool. So it's something. It's easier to apply than all the eyeshadows and stuff like that, but I also love it. So that's my tip for today. Colorful mascara. You are done. So I hope you enjoy it. I don't know, I like it. I really like it. Let me know what you think. If you have brown eyes, I think it would look gorgeous. If you have green eyes, it would look amazing. It would look so beautiful. But I have blue eyes, and my Monty, he doesn't care. Oh well. Hope you enjoyed today's video. It's just a quick tip that you can enhance your blue eyes, green eyes, or brown eyes. You can pop them up and you can make them beautiful without any brushes or anything like that. Just use that little tool and you're gonna look gorgeous.